Welcome to the tutorial Fit for Duty, a self-evaluation for COVID-19. In this video, you'll do a self-evaluation to determine if you're fit for duty. The process is fast, easy, and it can be done anywhere you have access to the internet. The purpose of the video is to determine if you have been around others displaying symptoms related to COVID-19 or if you yourself have been displaying such symptoms. The following is very simple. Using your smartphone, open your web browser. The next step is identical to how you do your logins. Type in the website that corresponds to your region. If you're from Miami, leave the website as it is. But if you're from Fort Myers, switch the 154 to 353. Once you have access to the website, click Caregivers and then enter your login information. Now enter Login. Here you will see your current case. Click the case and now you will see the questionnaire, which is in both English and Spanish. The first question asks you if you or a member of your household has been displaying symptoms related to COVID-19. The second question is asking you if you've been around a person who has been diagnosed with COVID-19 in the last 14 days. Question 3 is asking you if you have been in an area with high risk, such as the UK, South Korea, Iran, Europe, and China. Finally, the fourth question is asking you if you have been in a cruise in the last 14 days. If you hit accept, you're recognizing that the answer to all these questions is no. Once you hit submit, you're confirming your case, or in essence, that you're fit for duty. You have exactly 1 day to confirm your case before your shift starts. If you fail to confirm the case or to accept the questionnaire, you will be removed from the schedule.